Hello and welcome to the School Messenger app. In this tutorial, we will go over how to find and download the School Messenger app, how to set up your account, and how to log in once your account is ready to go. This tutorial will show you the process of signing up for the School Messenger app using a mobile device. Or, if you prefer, you can sign up through a web browser instead, as it functions the same way. Either way, it's easy to sign up for the School Messenger app. So let's get started. If you don't already have the app downloaded, begin by opening the Limestone District School Board mobile app. From within the app, select the Absences and Messages icon. This will redirect you to either the App Store or Google Play to download the School Messenger app. Now select the Download button. Once the app has finished downloading, select Open. When the app is open, select the Sign Up button. Remember, if you aren't using a phone app and you want to sign up for School Messenger from a computer, go to go.schoolmessenger.ca and select Sign Up. Then follow the remainder of the steps from this tutorial. It's time to enter your email address. Regardless of your sign-up method, it is important that you choose an email address the school has on record. Now create a password. It must contain one lowercase number, one uppercase number, and be at least 6 characters long. Make sure to choose Canada for your location. Then select Sign Up. Next, you will receive a verification email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. You will be redirected to a login page. Use the email address and password you just registered to log in. When you first log in, you will be prompted to enter your first and last name. Select Guardian if you are a parent or guardian. You must complete these settings before you can use your account. Now select Save in the top right-hand corner. You will now be prompted to answer some questions about permissions to call. Be sure to answer them accurately and to select Save. And that's it! You are logged in and ready to use the School Messenger app. This is where you will receive messages from school via Communicate and/or see group information from teachers and coaches. All of your messages and conversations are stored here. This is also where you can report a student's absence by selecting Attendance. For a more in-depth look at using the School Messenger app, watch the Limestone District School Board tutorial, How to Use the School Messenger app.